So hey guys, I'm inside my car. So as you can see, there are two small stone chips on the front windshield of my car. Actually, some kids from the school nearby threw some stones on it. So I'm going to try to fix it with this kit. I've got this kit here. I bought this kit from Amazon. So this is basically a resin repair kit. Let's see if it works or not. You need sun for it, and you need a hair dryer or something to heat the crack from inside while you're filling the resin. I'll try to shoot the process, but I am alone. I am just holding a phone in my hand. So I'll try to do the best I can, and let's see what's the result I got. There are two small stone chips. I hope you can see it. So first you have to clean the crack with isopropyl alcohol or something similar so that there is no contamination. So it is clean now. So these are the contents of the kit. These vacuum pads and this plunger and this blade and the cleaning tool, the pressing tool, and these few of these curing sheet which you have to apply afterwards, and this resin filler. So let me just clean. So first you have to clean this crack with this blade so that small particle of the glass which is inside comes out, and there is nothing inside it. Just scrape it like this so that there is no loose glass in it. So you have to apply this vacuum pad base on the center of this crack. Make sure that the crack is on the center. Then press it, and then we have to fix the application tool on over it. Sorry for the background noise. My street is a little bit busy. There are too many vegetable vendors and the kabadi walas there. So just you have to make sure that it is in the center. So this applicator or the plunger tool has two parts. So you have to take the center part off first. Just screw it in properly. There is a rubber base or the silicon base on the bottom of this. It should sit on the windshield. You can look at it from your naked eye. It will start pulling the pads. Also check it from the center. Check it from the inside. So make sure that the center of the applicator is on the center of your chip or your crack. So now we have to put 3 to 6 drops of this resin filler inside this hole, and then we have to put the other part of that applicator over the top. So I am applying the resin in this cavity. So I have filled 6 drops. Drops are in. You just have to put this top part over it to push the resin inside. So once you put the drops of the resin in, I have put in 6 drops. To just apply the top part of it over it. Hold the bottom part and just screw it in the top part so that all the resin go inside the crack. Now check it from the inside. I'm inside. So I'm inside now. I hope you can see that the resin is there. So it means there is no leak. So I'll just apply some heat over it. Heat will make the resin go inside the crack. The resin is in and the top part is in. Now we have to leave it for around 6 minutes. Then we have to pull the plunger out and then wait for another 6 minutes. So 5-6 minutes have passed. So just you have to take the centerpiece out. Hold the base. I'm holding the mobile, so I will not be able to shoot it. Just pull it out and pull it back again so that air will come out and suction will release. Then leave it for another 5 to 6 minutes. So I'm waiting inside the car to let the resin do its magic. So I'll do the same process for the second chip also. Then I'll go with the curing strip part, which I'll show you later, because these two chips are very close. So I'm going to do it together, and let's see how what kind of result I'm getting. I have waited for around 6 minutes, 6 7 minutes for the second part, while where I took the plunger out and released the air and put the plunger again in. So now I will be removing it and applying it on the other chip which is there. Both chips are very close. So then I'll repeat the whole process. I'm not going to shoot this part. I'll shoot the later part where I will apply the curing strip on it. So once you fill the resin into this tube, you have to heat it from inside. You can use a vacuum, something to heat, like a heat gun or a hair dryer, or you can even use your cigarette lighter or a candle. Heating will pull the resin into the crack. I have seen a couple of reference documents where it says that heating it from inside after you put the resin in will help it go inside the crack uh, more better. So it is an important part. I'm using my hair dryer. I've got easy access to my window next to my car, so I'm using my hair dryer to heat it up. You can use your cigarette lighter, matchsticks, or candle, anything you have. I'm done with one hole. Now I have to do it on the other chip. I can clearly see a visible improvement in that part. My camera is not able to catch it due to sunlight, and it is not able to focus. But I'll show you the result later from the inside. So now I have waited long enough for the second chip also. So I will remove this tool, and then I'll apply a dot of resin all over the place where the cracks were, the small cracks, and then I'll apply a curing strip over it. I'll try to shoot that also. So you just have to put a couple of dots on that repair, and then just put this curing strip over it and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. So I have removed the curing strip now. It is here. This is how the mess looks like. It is all the excessive resin. Now we have to clean it with a blade or a sharp object. Then I'll try to show you what is the result. I waited for around 20-30 minutes after putting the curing strip on. So this is how the repair looked like from inside, guys. The one chip which was on the right side is cured better than the one on the left side, but this resin has filled inside both of it, and hopefully this will not spread because the resin has sealed it. I will try to find a shop who deals in the repair of these chips, and then I'll keep it updated. Something which I did wrong, I think I tried to fix both the chips in one go. I should have done both of them separately. So you can see the one on the right side, the smaller dot, is healed better than the one on the left side. So this is it for the video, guys. I hope you it will be helpful for you. So this kit might or might not work for you, but you have to give it ample amount of heat, do it in sunlight, and heat it from inside also while you apply the resin in it, then heat it from inside also.